YouTube, what is going on? Today, we finally got our package that we were looking for. It was from Massdrop. We got the Tai-Hao Rubber keycaps. Finally, dude, I ordered these back in December 28th, I believe it was, and they came on Friday, which was February 22nd, and then I was away all weekend, so this is Sunday now. So now I'm finally able to get these all put together. I'm really excited to try these out, so let's open these up. Let's go. Whoosh. All right, open it up. Whoop. And we got the... What color is this? I believe it's the blue canary or something like that. It was the neon ones that they had on Massdrop. Pretty cool thing that they had going on. And they're $17 to the house. So, not too bad. Looks as though the keycap remover got a little misplaced, unfortunately, but you know, what can you do? Alright, let's get these opened up. I'm excited. So we got the keycaps here. We got the rubber double shot black backlit keycaps. Click precision double shot shine through keycaps non-slip diamond texture. Okay, well, we will see how that goes, how that ends up. We did not elect to go with the additional 6, I believe, keys it was. But there we go. This is exactly how they ship to your house. This thing's like a piece of junk right here. Super cheap plastic. We're probably gonna be using this when we go with our Ducky keyboard. These feel pretty cool right off the bat. Let's take them all out. Let's swap them out. Let's do it. So we get 1 to 6. I just got 2 for 1, dude. Six. We're also going to be putting in the O-rings on top of these guys here. So for the numbers, I had 2 originally. Let's put 2 in for those. Oh boy, that may be too much, because they're already kind of high as is. I'm just going to do 1 on this. I think there's an extra layer, since they're rubberized, they're a little bit higher up as is. So let's just do 1 of those. Yeah, that's better. QWER. We'll remove those. And as well, those only had singles. Wow. Those feel wild already. And there we go. Those are now all in. That's what it looks like without any sort of backlighting at all. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Just turn that off completely. I like it. They feel pretty cool. As far as the up arrow keys, I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. I can use them for like down here, but we'll see. I like the white. All right, let's give these a try. Man, those are a lot of keycaps. I don't know why it took like 2 months basically in order for me to get these, but they're finally here and I'm excited to give them a try. Let's see. It's kind of weird to type because only some of them have the rubber and some don't, but run it, dude. Run it. Anyways, I think they're pretty cool so far. They feel definitely different than what I thought they were going to be feeling like. As far as longevity goes. Am I going to keep them forever? We shall find out. I'll give them a whirl. I'll give you some sort of other review to them. Here's the here's what it looks like. Boom. Right off the bat, though, it's definitely like a harder rubber than I thought it was going to be, which is probably a good thing because they'll probably have more of a longevity in their life cycle. But these guys, I actually really like it with the keyboard completely no RGB at all. I think that looks sweet. Just a light blue. I don't know. We'll see how we'll see how we use them. Perhaps we'll keep them. Perhaps we won't. Overall, I think this is a pretty cool product. Definitely feels a little bit different than what I thought it was going to feel like, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. We will see how the gameplay goes now that we have some extra grip. I don't think it's going to improve, to be honest. Easy typing fatigue for both hands and increased typing speed. I don't know. I don't know if I agree with that, but we'll find out, man. I'm gonna be giving them a try. Instructions. Kind of gives you instructions on how to pull them up and remove them. Swap the keys. Pretty much exactly what we had just done. But initial thoughts, do I like it? I think it'll be definitely cool to try. What I don't like right off the bat that I noticed, F does not have a bump. You know how on like the J key, you have that little extra bump. Here, let me zoom in for you. On the J key, you have the little bump at the bottom. The F key, you do not. That is one thing that I do not like right off the bat, initial thought. But that's pretty minor. You don't realize how much you rely upon those little F and J bumps, at least for me. But I think these are going to be pretty cool. I'm excited to see how it is while gaming on them and moving around and stuff like that. They kind of feel weird at first, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. That's with anything. But dude, that's going to be it for my initial unboxing and review of the rubber keycaps from Tai-Hao. Was it Tai-Hao? It doesn't even have their name on it at all. There's no Tai-Hao listed anywhere. Ooh, Tai-Hao. Clicker precision, make your dreams alive. That makes no sense, dude. Make your dreams alive. I should focus. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video up if you liked it. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Also, I'm thinking about getting some custom keycaps for the rest of here. What do you guys think? Do you have something in mind? I haven't really done a whole lot of looking to see what else they do have for keycaps. I like the way the black looks with the blue with no light, but I don't know. I think it'd be kind of cool to have a fully customized keyboard. This is what it looks like with the white on it. I can do. Here's what we look like with an RGB. Kind of just cycles. Take it easy, dudes. Have a good rest of your Sunday. I don't know when this video will get to you guys by. Hopefully either today or by Wednesday. Later, dudes. I'll see you later.